Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For today's video, I'll teach you how to create hollow outline text in Canva. So first of all, we're gonna go to your Canva. Afterwards, you're gonna create a blank page. So once we are in our blank page, we can edit color this image to whichever you want, but maybe I'll stick with white and or maybe can just put blue or maybe or yellow, maybe green. I think green will be right. Then we go to text, add the heading, put on, let's say, um, Canva. Then maybe find a more proper font for this. So let's say it's Anton. We make it bigger. So now that it's bigger, we just copy paste both. Put this one at the front. So this one is at the back, this one is at the front. We go here, press on effects, press on hollow. Then the thickness to around, let's say, 18. So now we're gonna apply this to the hollow version. So now here we can add a shape, maybe a rectangle. For this one, and then here we can create a visual layer here. There we go. So we go to position, layers. We make sure the hollow layer is on top, not on bottom. This one, make sure that the hollow layer is on top of your Canva. So afterwards, just put it there. There we go. That is the finish one. We can see that this is your outline text or hollow outline text in Canva. Once again, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.